Today's video is on the top 3 best pickleball court marking kits. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Copatocacy Pickleball Court Marking Kit. Looking for a simple, affordable way to mark a pickleball court without the hassle? Look no further than the Copatocacy Outdoor Pickleball Court Tape. This roll of tape is 2 inches wide and an impressive 262 feet long, giving you more than enough to line your entire court. And don't worry if you end up with extra tape, you can easily use it to make repairs on other areas later. Whether you're just getting started with pickleball or need a quick solution for temporary court lines, this tape makes it simple and convenient. What's even better is how easy this tape is to use. In just a few minutes, you can transform any indoor or outdoor space into a fully marked pickleball court, or any other type of court you need. This includes basketball, tennis, and even badminton courts. The best part? Creating straight lines is a total breeze with this marking tape. It sticks right where you need it to, and when you're ready to take it down, it removes cleanly without leaving any sticky residue or scuffing up the floor. It's a great solution for spaces that need quick, temporary lines without the mess. This court tape is perfect for a variety of spaces, including hardwood, vinyl, concrete, rubber, and gym floors. Whether you're setting up a court at the gym, at home, in a restaurant, or a business, this versatile tape meets all your needs for creating marked-off spaces. You can even use it to define areas like waiting queues or aisles, making it a cost-effective solution for organizing any indoor space. One of the best things about this tape is that it won't leave any residue behind. Just make sure the floor is clean before you apply it, and rest assured that when you're done, the tape will peel away easily without damaging the surface. Not only is this tape easy to apply and remove, but it's ultra durable too. It's tough enough to handle high foot traffic and even heavy equipment, making it perfect for pickleball courts and other spaces that get a lot of use. You can count on it to stay in place, whether you're using it indoors or outdoors. A little tip for the best results. If you use a heat gun to warm up the adhesive before applying the tape, it'll stick even better. And if you have any questions about the product, don't hesitate to reach out. The team is happy to help with the perfect solution for you. Smash that subscribe button like you're slamming a pickleball down the line. Number 2, best overall, Hikeen Pickleball Court Lines Marker Kit. Looking to set up a professional-looking pickleball court? The Pickleball Court Lines Marker Kit is exactly what you need. This set includes 28 durable markers in bright, eye-catching colors. You'll get 10 yellow eye-shaped and 10 orange eye-shaped markers, along with 4 yellow and 4 orange L-shaped markers. This variety allows you to easily create a full, accurate court layout, giving your game the right boundaries. When you receive the kit, be sure to press the court stickers firmly on a flat surface for a few minutes to restore their shape after shipping. This ensures they lay flat and stay in place during the game. Crafted from high-quality PVC crystal silicone, these markers are built for durability. They're not just strong, they're also waterproof, wear-resistant, and flexible. This means they can withstand the elements, whether it's a rainy day or a sunny afternoon. Plus, their elasticity ensures they won't crack or lose their shape over time. No matter how many games you play or how often you move them, these markers stay intact and reliable. Even in windy conditions, the markers are designed to stay put, so you won't have to worry about them shifting around mid-game. However, if you're setting up on a surface that isn't perfectly smooth and flat, there's a chance they may slide a little, but they'll still perform well on most surfaces. The Pickleball Court Lines Marker Kit is perfect for creating precise and clear boundaries for your court. Whether you're setting up for a casual game with friends or a more serious match, these markers help define the playing area with ease. The kit allows you to quickly and accurately mark the lines for a complete court, making it ideal for both recreational and competitive play. One of the best features of these markers is their visibility. The bright yellow and orange colors provide a high contrast combination that stands out during play. This makes it easier for players to spot the boundaries from any angle, ensuring a smoother and more efficient game. With better visibility, the markers also help increase safety by preventing accidental missteps or confusion during fast-paced matches. Whether you're a pickleball enthusiast, a coach, or a player setting up your court, the Pickleball Court Line's Marker Kit is the perfect solution for clear, reliable boundaries. It's a simple way to ensure your court is marked correctly, improving both the gameplay experience and safety. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days. Free. Link below. Number 1. Our pick. Pickleball Court Marker Kit. Want to turn any space into a pickleball court? With these portable pickleball court markers, you can create a regulation-sized court wherever you go. Whether you're setting up a game in your driveway, backyard, a local park, the beach, or even inside a gymnasium, this marking kit makes it quick and easy. No more searching for designated courts. Now, you can bring the game to your favorite spots anytime. Plus, with the included carrying bag, you can neatly store and transport the markers without hassle. These court markers are made from high-quality silicone, a durable and flexible material that makes setup a breeze. Unlike chalk lines that fade or tape that peels off, these markers stay in place and can be used again and again. After each game, simply wipe them down and they're ready for the next match. Whether you're playing indoors or outdoors, these markers are designed to withstand regular use, making them a must-have for any pickleball enthusiasts. One of the standout features of this set is its bright yellow color. With 18 highly visible markers, you can clearly define your court boundaries from any angle. This is especially useful during fast-paced games where quick movements and sharp turns require clear reference points. The kit includes everything you need for a complete court setup. Inside the package, you'll find one convenient drawstring bag for easy transport and storage, along with 8 L-shaped markers measuring 10.6 by 2.8 by 10.8 inches, and 10 I-shaped markers measuring 13.3 by 2.8 inches. This combination allows for a precise and accurate layout, so you can enjoy a professional-style game without permanent court lines. One common concern with portable court markers is slipping, especially on smooth surfaces. That's why these silicone markers are designed with an anti-slip bottom, ensuring a secure grip on the ground. Once placed, they stay firmly in position, even during intense rallies. Plus, they won't be easily blown away by the wind, making them perfect for outdoor play. Whether it's a sunny day or a breezy afternoon, you can count on these markers to hold up in any weather. If you're looking for a simple, reusable, and reliable way to mark your pickleball court, this kit is the perfect solution. It's easy to set up, highly visible, and built to last, so you can focus on enjoying the game. Whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or an experienced player perfecting your skills, these markers provide a clear and professional court layout wherever you play. Remember, we've done the hard work sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, topic3.com. Thanks for watching.